Protecting your car, invisible car wraps are the top choice. You must have heard of TPU, but what is the background of PCU, which is strongly recommended by merchants? Does it really completely outshine TPU as rumored? Today, in just 2 minutes, we get to the bottom of it thoroughly. Leaving aside complex terms, we can view TPU and PCU as a pair of real brothers. They all have the same strong core trunk. The real difference between them lies in the main chain that connects the trunk. That is, the polyester polyol, which is completely different. Conventional TPU uses flexible PCL chains, while PCU uses sturdy PCD chains. It is precisely this difference of one chain that determines their completely different personalities and destinies. Real combat speaks for itself. The first round, low temperature resistance and workability. Due to the sturdy chain, PCU will become stiff and inflexible at low temperatures. In the severely cold northern regions, this is simply a torture for technicians, and the construction risks are high. The flexible chain of conventional TPU can handle it with ease and is suitable for construction throughout the 4 seasons. Second round, processability and quality. PCU's stubbornness began from the factory. Its processing is difficult, and it is more prone to quality fluctuations during production, which leads to potential defect risks in the finished products. The conventional TPU technology is highly mature, with stable processing and more controllable quality. Round 3, heat resistance and cost. This is the moment when PCU can hold its head high. Its sturdy chain brings stronger resistance to thermal oxidation aging, with a longer theoretical lifespan and a warranty of up to 10 to 12 years. But the price of all this is an extremely high price. So here comes the key question. Is it worth enduring all the drawbacks and high premiums of PCU for some of its advantages in heat resistance? For the vast majority of car owners, the answer is no, because long-term market verification has shown us that a high-quality conventional TPU can fully meet all the daily needs of invisible car wraps, including weather resistance. Its warranty period can also reach 8 to 10 years. This is already more than sufficient for the service life of a vehicle, and even for the replacement cycle of many car owners. So, please remember, PCU is more like a one-sided student. It got a high score in heat resistance, but failed in construction, processing, and price. Conventional TPU, on the other hand, is an all-round top student without any weaknesses, with balanced performance, mature technology, and extremely high-cost performance. Choosing it is already a very wise and sufficient protection for your beloved car. I hope this science popularization can be of help to you. See you next time.